So you know what they say about you never forget to ride a bike?
Right.
It's not true.
Well, of course it is.
No, so I got on and it was a mountain bike and I don't understand.
Gears.
Yeah, I don't get how they work. Maybe because I never did.
It was always just a pedal bike with no gears?
No, I had a 10-speed back in the day. Remember
but
with
it's
the
different,
remember
yeah.
the horn?
Yes.
Is that so horrible? Is that,
Get in there
but
with the speed.
Yeah, so now I have this one, and I'm doing and I just anyway. I was riding in the wind. Maybe that was part of it.
Gears just...
They were tick, 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 and then I was having trouble pedaling. But again, I think it was the wind, or I'm out of shape. I'm not sure which.
If you go with the wind, you don't even have to worry about the adjusting.
Yeah.
You just go.
Just ride it with a sail on
Yep.
it, even.
There you go. Yeah, get an umbrella in front of you and just let it carry you. A lot of us probably could have done that yesterday, especially if you were in the Inland East Bay, the North Bay Mountains. Those were the areas that saw the strongest of winds yesterday. It was a little calmer towards the coastline and up in the North Bay in a couple of spots. Now this morning we are looking at beautiful crystal clear skies. Love this view in your NorCal Honda Weather Center forecast. Looking out towards the east as we start to get that glow over the horizon, the sunrise in the distance. Skies will remain crystal clear yet again today, and winds definitely a factor again, although not as substantial of gusts as what we had for your Monday. A northeasterly wind pushing into the bay, going to come along with a drop in humidity this afternoon, so it's this dry and windy weather that still has us in red flag warning territory in upper elevations on the peninsula and towards the coast, and then all of Solano County as well as all of the Inland East Bay. Yet again, red flag warnings until 5 p.m. today. Now winds are gradually going to calm down, and after this point, really the rest of your forecast is looking a whole lot calmer. So today, abundant sunshine. We stay clear until this evening. Then cloud cover starts to increase. Wednesday morning, tomorrow morning, looking at the potential of a few sprinkles into the Bay Area. Most of us will remain dry, but I will be keeping you updated on any sort of light and brief shower that we may see to start off the day tomorrow. Again, that would be very light, very brief, very isolated. Most of us not seeing it. Temperatures today, mostly in the 60s to 70s, a couple of 50s mixed in closer to the coastline. Burlingame right at 70 degrees today. Also 70 in Foster City down through Redwood City. Woodside at 72. South Bay temps almost identical to yesterday, mid to upper 60s for you. And looking at that same range of 60s to 70s across the East Bay as well. Berkeley, you'll be at 68, while Oakland at 70 degrees. Benicia, our warm spot today at 75, followed closely by Fairfield, Vacaville, and San Rafael, each at 74. Tomorrow's daytime highs not rising just yet. We'll save that for the weekend, with Friday and Saturday back into the 80s for your highs, our warmest in the forecast. Definitely settling into more and more fall weather as we move further into October. Highs at their warmest in the 80s, 60s, and 70s.